Hi, my name is Ryan Martin, and I'm here to talk about the value in learning programming. So for 3 years now, I've been working with the teaching staff in McMaster University's engineering department to improve the quality of the first-year programming course. Engineering computation is required for accreditation, so all first-year engineers have to take it. It's a mandatory course. So we've been developing new curriculum, material, learning aids, and fun activities in an effort to make it as engaging, helpful, and painless as possible. But during my time working on this, I found that people either love the course or just plain despise it. I mean, there's no middle ground. There's no neutral zone there whatsoever. Now, this isn't exclusive to our course. It's a common theme among programming courses from other schools and other disciplines. It seems that people just like learning programming, or they just really don't. So why is this? Why all the hate? Well, I've worked with a lot of students, strong students and weak ones, from both the love and the hate camps, and I've come up with two main reasons. The first is that it's hard. Now that's completely understandable. Some people struggle with syntax and some just struggle thinking sequentially. But I think the main reason that it's hard to learn and hard to teach is that it's a skill. It can't be taught in the classroom or from a textbook. And most students really just want to be told the answer in class and regurgitate it later, or follow a known procedure or plug something mindlessly into a formula. And you can't do that when you're writing code. It's a skill. It's like learning how to play an instrument or learning to drive a car. The only way to learn how to program is to practice it. Now most programming courses, including ours, try to emphasize this point, and it's improving all the time. So I don't think that the difficulty in learning how to code is the main problem with the hate for programming, since really any motivated person can do it with the right support. So if it's not the difficulty, then what is the main problem? Well, I kind of just hinted at it. It's the motivation. See, the thing that I hear most often from students is that they don't see the purpose in learning programming, that they're never going to use it in real life, that they're going into chemical engineering, so they won't need it. Now that view makes me sad, since it's just so completely wrong. I mean, chemical engineering, civil, mechanical, biotech, and a whole bunch of others that are supposedly non-programming fields are making more use of computer simulation and automation every year. I mean, there's a reason why programming is a required course for engineers, because it's just completely unavoidable. But really, it's not just engineering. Computers are everywhere. They're an integral part of society, in the workplace, wherever you go. So here's my point. I mentioned driving a car before. Many people drive cars. Most of those people have a basic idea of how a car works. I mean, they couldn't fix it if it broke down, but they know how to maintain it. They know how to care for it. They know how to fill the wiper fluid, check the oil, and they usually can tell when something's wrong. Now, I can't personally change a tire myself, but really I'm the exception here. Now, here's the kicker. There's more people in North America that own a computer than those that own a car. And they don't know how to maintain it. They don't know how to care for it. If something goes wrong, they just throw it away. To make things worse, all the hackers and viruses out there prey on their ignorance to be effective. So here's the deal. I don't think programming should be taught in university to first-year engineers. I think it should be taught in high school to everyone before they enter the workplace. Now in the meantime, I encourage all the disbelievers out there to give it a shot. I mean, pick yourself up a copy of Java for Dummies. Make a web page. Try making your own version of Minesweeper. Learn to change the tire on your computer, or at least how to reinstall Windows. I promise it's immensely rewarding, and you'll have learned a ton in the process. See, the value in programming isn't in the integers, the floats, or the doubles. It's in the knowledge you gain and how to play nice with these complex devices all around us. Thank you.